Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be opening up another Funko Pop vinyl figure. This one from The Incredibles 2. It's a Pop Rides figure. This is Elastigirl on Elasticycle, number 45. Let's take a look at the box. Be a little tough to show the whole thing. There's that side. There's the back. One is a set of 8, but this one is 9, and with all the Jack chases, it's a whole lot more. Let's open them up. Open her up. Wow, looks like she's elasticating there. Anyway, let's take a look at it. So again, standard Funko wide eyes on this, standard Funko pyramid nose, same hair. It looks like the head's the exact same one you got on the regular Pop. Does it spin? You can look a little from side to side, but it really interferes with this part of the figure, or the shoulders as well. Here you've got the headlight of the motorcycle. So you can see it seems to come apart so she can stretch out and elasticize. Good detail there on the handlebars. Goes faster or slower. Nice tires. And cool detail on the stretchiness here. It's your little feet on the things right back here. And she's got a bit of a logo there. I'm guessing her own personal brand. Now, if you see here, she is wearing the new outfit, the one she's wearing when she's out trying to become or get heroes reinstated. So that's a thing. Let's set her down. Again, no issues with standing on this figure, thank goodness. A lot of cool little details here and there. This movie did break some records, I hear. Opening weekend. That bend is really nice. Look at that. Really showcases the character's abilities. And these wheels look pretty awesome. Remember, guys, SDCC is coming up, so we'll get a whole bunch of new exclusives and shared exclusives coming out soon enough. Thankfully, though, I think Pop Cash time is coming around pretty soon, so might not have to suffer through it too badly. Here we got your Hot Topic Hot Cash. So anyway, there you have her. From The Incredibles 2, Elastigirl on Elasticycle. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.